Hi, my name is Viviana Diaz and I'm going to show you how to use our or the platform Moodle for Teachers, and I'm going to show you the layout of our course Developing Learning Habits. Okay, so we are here at the front page. Yes, and we can see how our course is organized. It is organized by topics, and every week we have a different topic. We have 5 weeks, sorry. Okay, so we can see here the overview of the course. Okay, and if we click on this getting acquainted and cognitive competence, if we click on that, we are going to see again how it is this week is organized. All the content, yes, a video tutorial on how to fulfill the activities, how to do the activities, the overview, which is very well explained, what we have to do, another tutorial on how to create a Voki avatar to introduce ourselves, and here if we scroll down we have all the activities to be done. Okay, I have completed, that is why you can see here done. Okay, and for example we have different kinds of activities, a discussion forums after reading. For example, here this icon means that we have a PDF to read there. Yes, and we have to add our opinions in this discussion forum. Okay, so if we scroll down again, we have a lot of activities, different games, Kahoot challenge, yes, and another tutorial on how to add a study set to the class in order to see them, all the students, to all the attendees, to see the other games that the participants do. On the left you have here, for example, another way of taking a look at the course, okay, the content of the course. Okay, so you have here, for example, all the topics of every week. If you click on that, you can navigate and you can see who are the participants, what badges have you got, and the grades. For example, here you can see, if you click on that, you can see, for example, your report and your progress. Okay, this is a way to track your progress. Okay. There is another way that I'm going to show you in a minute. Okay, so here we have, for example, here, okay, on the right you have an arrow. If you click on that, this is the completion bar. I'm not going to start on that. I'm going to scroll up. If you click on that, you are going, the first one that you will see is the announcement. For example, the latest announcement that we have, for example, the recordings of every live session with Dr. Nelly, okay, and the moderators. You can see also the upcoming events, the other live sessions is on Zoom. You have here the activities, the users. I'm the only user right now, and this is what I wanted to show you. Yes, how this completion progress bar. Okay, thanks to this bar I could see that I haven't completed this very same task I'm doing now. Okay, so for example, you have in light blue the tasks that you have completed, and in blue the ones that you haven't. Okay, if you still scroll down, you can also see the badges that you have got, and then this kind of star that you get them when you work according to the activities you do. Okay, so I think that's it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.